Customization. The modular nature of Hexagon lights allows for customization in terms of size, color, brightness, and even the ability to integrate smart lighting technology. This adaptability enables users to tailor the lighting to their preferences and requirements. Focal point. Due to their distinct shape and captivating design, Hexagon lights can serve as focal points within a room. They draw attention and add an element of intrigue, becoming both functional light sources and decorative elements. Innovative lighting solutions. Modern lighting designers often explore creative and innovative ways to use Hexagon lights. These lights can be incorporated into architectural elements, such as wall panels or ceiling installations, transforming the way light interacts with space and creating dynamic visual effects. Significance in modern lighting. In the context of modern lighting, Hexagon lights represent a departure from traditional, conventional lighting designs. They embrace contemporary aesthetics and respond to the growing demand for unique, customizable, and design-forward lighting solutions. Hexagon lights contribute to the evolution of lighting design by showcasing the possibilities offered by advanced manufacturing techniques, materials, and lighting technologies.